Hey kids, let's learn 2 letters, words, learn a new ones. It's fun every day, let's learn together, sing along. A-N-A-N-N-N-N, like I am happy, clap my hands. A-N-A-N-N-N-N, an apple, an ant in a pan. A-S-A-S-S-S-S, as tall as me, as fast as Cheetah. Let's learn 2 letters, 2 letters. A-T, at home we play at the mat. B-E-B-E-B-B-B, be nice to friends, be nice to my dad. B-Y, by the tree, by the sky. Let's learn 2 letters, 2 letters. D-O, do your work you should do in time. G-O, go and play, then shower afterward. H-E, he ran so fast, happy and free. Let's learn 2 letters, 2 letters. I-F, if it rains, if we lift. I-N, in the box, a gift we find. I-S, is it big, is it his? Let's learn 2 letters, 2 letters. I-T, it is fun, it is fit. M-E, me, give it to me, you see. M-Y, my kite reaching high. N-O, no more crying, let's go. O-F, of a cake, a slice so soft. O-N, on the chair, on the lawn. Let's learn 2 letters, 2 letters. O-R, this or that, pick just one. S-O, so very tall, watch it grow. T-O, to the park where we go. Let's learn 2 letters, 2 letters.